This is the Star Wars Legion Essentials Kit. This was released as well this weekend. We're going to go ahead and open this up and see what comes inside. This product is meant for individuals who have the starter set for Shadow Collective, but not necessarily have any of the core sets. So this includes extra dice, tools, and cards. So let's see what it comes with. Pretty cool box here. Essentials kit. Got all the different faction symbols down here. On the side, looks like we have 8 deployment markers, 3 movement tools, our range rulers, our dice, 8 command cards, 24 battle cards, and we got some tokens by Atomic Mass Games. Some other tokens here. All right. And once again, we're going to be doing a giveaway on this as well for one of the subscribers of the channel. Go ahead and see what we got. Put this right here. Okay, well, we got our dice. Looks like you get 3 of each, so that's nice, especially if you don't have any of those yet. Got our range tools here. Oh, they're a little different than the ones that come with the core set. Looks to be a little harder plastic. I think they might be a little thicker. The only part is this is a little hollow here where the other ones were not, which is fine, I guess, but they do feel more sturdy. This is actually kind of nice. I was not expecting that. Yeah, definitely feels a little thicker, which I guess is a nice benefit. And you get 6 of these, so that makes it really nice. That's awesome. Let's see what else we have in here. Here's our little pamphlet that comes inside. We have our credits here. And we got a nice little poster here. We've all seen this picture since the original core set. Kind of cool that you get to have your own little copy though if you want. Fold that up and set it aside. I wonder if they've redone the movement tools. Can't tell offhand, but it does seem to be a little different, but I could be wrong. So you get your 1, 2, and 3 size movement tools. So that's nice, those hooked together. I won't do it now. I'll save that for whoever wins it. We've got some cards here. Let's look at what we get. We got our regular ambush 1 pip for 1 unit, push, assault, standing orders. And we get the clone versions of ambush, push, and assault as well, and standing orders. So that's cool, get 2 different versions. And we get our battle deck cards. It looks like they've only included the 4 originals, which is fine. You can get the other cards in the other expansion. Okay, but they do include the 3x3, it looks like. So that's nice to have. Those are very different. Yeah, these are the 3x3 games. So the skirmish game cards. So that's cool to have. Added bonus. All right. And we got some tokens here. Let's take a look at these. All right. Must be our victory tokens. I don't remember seeing those specific ones before. Let's see what it says on the box here. Yeah, victory tokens. I don't remember them looking like that. That's pretty cool. So that's something new. Another victory tokens and some of your numbered units tokens. Got your dial here. Your commander token if you need it. And some objective tokens if you need those as well. Awesome. Well, my thoughts are this is great for someone who hasn't had any of this or doesn't have a core set. Or even if you do already, you know, you get to have these skirmish cards, which is nice. You know, nice in card version. And that's an added bonus for someone who's already played Legion. And again, these movement and measuring tools, I think they might be a little better plastic, but I'm gonna go grab mine and we'll be right back. So here are my range tools. And as you can tell, very easily, the new one is much larger, and you know they've made this connection point a lot more thicker, so it's a lot less easier to break. As you can see, the old one in my left hand, you know, it's not hollow like this one, but this is feels like way better strength than this. So this will be nice, especially if you connect like 6 or 5 of them together. You can really measure far without having to bend or break the tips off. So I'm actually really happy with this. That is something interesting. I did not know that they were going to do that. And also, just for comparison, here's my range 3 movement tool. See if they've, you know, done anything different here. It does seem to be, you know, a little different pattern here. Let's see here. It is a little different, but otherwise it's just about the same. Obviously it says AMG on here instead of Fantasy Flight. These might be a little better plastic here. Sometimes these have broken pretty easily. Looks like there's might be a little bit more support here. So, you know, for returning Legion players or current ones, this kit might be something that you want to pick up just to get the extra benefit of those harder plastic or, you know, better quality made movement and range tools. So pretty awesome. Okay, go ahead and comment down below and subscribe to have your chance to win this kit. And have a good day.